I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, thinking about you.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel, Shug Muffins. If you are new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I do appreciate it, and I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing another human hair slay on a Monday. And as you can see, I am quite bold today. I have not done a bold hair nor makeup look like this in a long time, maybe about a good year, when I had my bold series collab. And if you have not seen that, go check it out. I did a whole week of just bold colored wigs and makeup. So if that's something you're into, I'll link those videos down below for you. Alright, so today I'm bringing a unit from Amazon, and she is a human hair Brazilian body wave middle part or middle T-part wig. So these T-part wigs are somewhat new to the game. I mean, honestly, they're like the human hair version of synthetic lace front wigs that only have a part where you don't have like the frontal parting space. It's just the human hair version. I mean, they just call it a T-part wig, so that's what we got. So this is actually my third T-part wig that I have reviewed on my channel. So this unit actually came as a 613 blonde unit in 18 inches. And as you can see, I have transformed her into this, what I like to call ocean blue waves. Yes, y'all can tell I am ready for somebody's ocean right now. I need to be on the beach by the water. I'm ready. Anybody else with me? Anywho, if you want to see how I transformed her from blonde to this, continue watching this review. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair came packaged. They included this little wig cap, and this is what the hair looks like. All right, so let's get into coloring this hair using the watercolor method. Now for this, I'll be using the Eon semi-permanent hair color. I'll be using 1 bottle of the cayenne color and 1 bottle of sky blue. I'll also be using a bottle of Adore semi-permanent hair color in the color indigo blue. Now I've accidentally started pouring water into the bowl, but I'll usually like to put the color in first. So I am starting off with this cayenne color first because that is the color I want for the roots of the hair. I'm just going to blend that together really well. Now I already sprayed some Got To Be Glued Free Spray in the inside of the lace just to protect the lace from tinting to the blue color as best or as much as possible. So now I'm just going to dip the roots of the hair into this cayenne blue color because that is where I want the focus to be. Now with this process, you basically just, continue to submerge the hair into the color. You check it, you brush it through, make sure the colors are getting evenly distributed. You may have to put it back into the water. So it's just a process. You basically just repeat the same process and just keep an eye and make sure that you get the color that you desire. So now that I have the color to my desire, I'm just going to sit the hair aside. And now I'm just going to add some of the sky blue color. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and add the entire bottle of this. And again, mix it very well. And then I'll start dipping the ends of the hair. But before I do that, I don't like this blue, so I'm going to go ahead and add some of this indigo blue just to make it a deeper blue. Now this blue is very pretty. I just didn't want the hair to be that blue. I needed it to be a little deeper than that. So that's why I added the indigo blue. And I didn't use the whole bottle of that. So now I'm just adding some more hot water so that I know the hair will actually absorb, or the color will absorb on the hair. Look me in my eyes and tell me how I'm hypnotized. All right, so here is the final look of the hair, and I think it came out really pretty, and I think it's going to be really pretty once it dries. Now I did let the hair air dry overnight, and I also went through and blow dried it as well. Now I'm going to start adding some deep waves to the hair using my wave iron. But before I add any heat, I'm going to be adding this olive oil heat defense and shine mist to the hair because I do not want to have any heat damage. So I'm not going to bore you with deep waving the entire wig, but this is basically the process, and this is what the hair looks like as a result. So let's get this baby on and see what she is looking like.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you.
Now the lace on this was super long, so I had to get some of it out of my way because it was gonna take my eyebrows off, and who got time for that?
Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you.
So of course I had to tint the lace, and I used my Kiss Cream foundation in the color Rich Mahogany, and I also used my L'Oreal Precision Root Brush on the sides, as I always do.
You're always on my mind, baby. Why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes.
All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the process of coloring this unit and getting her to this state here. Not a hard challenge. It may just be more of your time, but I don't think it's a hard process at all. I have done a number of these watercolor method coloring processes on my channel, transforming units from blonde to some different color. I'm not a fan of wearing just straight 613 blonde. Just not my thing, not my preference. I may have only reviewed one on my channel that I can think of where it was just completely 613 blonde. Yeah, just that one. So anytime I get a blonde unit, she's getting color. And it's actually quite fun for me. I feel like, you know, I get to tap into my creativity, you know, bring out some creative juices and let them flow. All right, so let's get into my thoughts on this actual hair. Now, again, this unit came in 18 inches. She probably looks a lot shorter because I, you know, deep waved her or crimped her, however you want to call it. And I also cut off, I trimmed off some of the ends because they were a little straggly. Now, the quality of this hair, I'll be honest and say, it's probably like fair good. You know, it's not like the best or the greatest. It's just nice. It's nice, decent quality hair. Y'all see me trying to be nice. You see me just trying to stay nice. So I don't know the density on this unit, but it seems a little thin. So I would give it no more than 150. It may even be like 130. I might be reducing it too much. It might be 150, y'all. Somewhere in there. No more than that though. Now, as you saw, I did not glue this unit down. I was trying to go for easy breezy. I mean, it's already a middle part, so I just feel like you don't always have to glue down wigs that come as middle parts, and this was one of those. I was like, she ain't gonna be this what you gonna get. You know, you only gonna see this right here. So now if the wind blow, you know, you might catch my little edges peeping out. For real. But, you know, yeah, it is what it is. Now, I think what's the seller of this wig is, of course, the price. She is under $100. Now, the specific cost of this wig at the time that I'm recording this video is $89.66. Very affordable for an 18-inch human hair Brazilian body wave 613 wig. Like all that. Because normally 613 wigs can be a little higher than just the black. So, I mean, you know, I feel like that's a fair price. And I specifically said at the time of this video, because Amazon changed them prices like that. When I purchased her, she was like $3 more. So they've reduced it by a few dollars. So, you know, I'm really not mad at this wig. I feel like the beauty in it is, again, the price and the ease. It is beginner friendly. Like, you really don't have to do a whole lot. Now, If you're not a fan of like 613 hair and coloring 613 hair, then yeah, you probably be better off looking for a black T-part type of wig where it's a middle part, super easy, same deal. So as always, let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know if you're feeling the color or is it way too bold for you. Trust me, I can totally understand because it's not too many places I would wear this, to be honest. It's super bold, and this is, you know, this blue is my favorite color on earth. Like, I love this blue. But probably wouldn't wear it too many places. How y'all feeling my makeup today? Like, I just, you know, I felt fun doing some fun makeup today. I have not done this in so long. Let me know how you checking my makeup. I feel like I'm a little rusty. I might need to do this a little more often to improve my skills. Because, yeah, I felt a little rusty in the process. So if you made it this far, go ahead and leave me a little ocean wave emoji right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin. And you know I appreciate you for it. Also, if you're not already, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. Alright, well, I'm going to go on and get out y'all hair. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video.
Took me